Welcome to Choice Champions. The best insect catcher is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to deal with pesky flying insects in your home, offering a silent and chemical-free solution that works around the clock to keep your living spaces comfortable and bug-free, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to enjoy their home without the constant annoyance of flies, mosquitoes, and other flying pests. Number 5. Safer Home SH502 Indoor Plug-in Fly Trap. Get quick relief from annoying flying insects. This device attracts and traps flies, moths, and gnats, effectively eliminating them from your home. Worry-free pest control for your family. It contains no chemical insecticides, making it safe for homes with children and pets. It's even PTPA certified. Enjoy round-the-clock defense against bugs. The UV LED light naturally attracts insects, providing continuous protection day and night. This trap blends seamlessly with your home decor. Its rotating design fits any outlet, making it a discreet solution for any room. Simply insert a glue card and plug it in. This reusable bug killer is an effortless way to keep your home free of flying insects. What we like. This is a great option for families with children and pets. It's also discreet and blends with decor. If you are looking for a safe and unobtrusive way to deal with common indoor flying insects, this is the one for you. What people say. It does a good job of attracting and trapping flying insects, which helps keep things under control indoors. It's easy to use, just plug it in and let it do its job. I also like that it's a cleaner solution compared to sprays or swatters. This device caught all kinds of pesky flying bugs on my trip north. The sticky pad was black by the time I returned home. No flying bugs at night while I was reading my e-reader or around the fruit bowl or mysteriously biting me. No Number 4. Safer Home SH502-2SR Indoor Plug-in Fly Trap. Start getting rid of annoying flies, moths, and gnats right away. Simply plug it in, and it begins working immediately to attract and trap them, providing instant relief indoors. Worry less about your loved ones. This trap is designed to be safe for homes with children and pets, as it doesn't use any chemical insecticides. It's even been recognized with the parent-tested parent-approved seal of approval. Enjoy round-the-clock defense against flying insects. Its UV LED light naturally draws bugs in, ensuring it effectively eliminates gnats and flies day and night. This trap blends in seamlessly with your home decor. Its plug-in design rotates to fit any outlet, making it a discreet solution for indoor insect problems. Protect a large space with just one device. It offers effective control for up to 800 square feet, making it ideal for larger rooms in your home. What we like. This offers double the coverage of the previous model, making it ideal for larger homes or open-plan living areas. If you need effective, continuous insect control across a wider space without harmful chemicals, this is your best bet. What people say. It does a good job of attracting and trapping flying insects, which helps keep things under control indoors. It's easy to use, just plug it in and let it do its job. I also like that it's a cleaner solution compared to sprays or swatters. This device caught all kinds of pesky flying bugs on my trip north. The sticky pad was black by the time I returned home. Number 3. Mosalogic Fly Insect Trap. Tired of annoying mosquitoes, gnats, and fruit flies? This innovative trap uses UV light to lure them in, trapping them effectively on a sticky surface. It even doubles as a soothing night light. Featuring dual UV wavelengths, this device significantly increases its ability to attract and capture pests like mosquitoes and fruit flies. Its energy-efficient UV LED beads ensure powerful performance. Unlike noisy bug zappers, this trap uses a silent glue card system for natural odor-free capture. Its compact design also protects your eyes from direct UV light exposure. Choose between Smart Mode, which automatically adjusts to ambient light, or Night Light Mode for continuous illumination. It provides a warm, inviting glow to your space. Designed for simplicity and aesthetics, this award-winning trap is easy to operate and complements any room. Its low power consumption and secure double-sided glue make it a practical choice. Your purchase includes the trap, 5 replacement glue boards, and a user manual. If you need additional glue boards, you can easily find them using the provided ASIN. What we like. This device goes beyond just insect catching, doubling as a night light with smart modes. If you appreciate multifunctional gadgets that are quiet and energy efficient, especially for bedrooms or living spaces where a night light is also useful, consider this. What people say. Using UV light and a powerful fan, it lures flying insects into the trap and captures them securely inside. Unlike traditional insecticides and sprays, which can contain harmful chemicals and pose risks to pets and children, this trap operates without any toxins or pesticides. The compact and discreet design of this fly trap makes it perfect for use in any room of the house. Number 2. Dynatrap DT3005W and Safer Home SH502 Replacement Glue Boards. Ensure your Dynatrap DT3005W and Safer Home SH502 traps are always ready. These refill cards are designed for a perfect fit, keeping your home protected. Enjoy up to 3 weeks of continuous protection with each glue board. They are designed to effectively capture insects, providing long-lasting peace of mind. Our glue boards are non-toxic and odorless, making them completely safe for use around your family and pets. Protect your home without any worries. Using these refills is a breeze. Simply peel off the protective cover and insert the glue board into your trap for instant insect control. Keep your indoor spaces free from flying insects. These effective glue boards are the ideal solution for maintaining a comfortable and pest-free environment. We are here to help if you have any questions. Contact us for a satisfactory solution to ensure you are happy with your purchase. What we like. This is not a standalone trap, but a pack of replacement glue boards. If you already own compatible traps and are looking for a safe, effective, and long-lasting refill solution, these are an excellent choice to keep your existing traps running. What people say. The bug light itself is a soft glow, not catching or obtrusive. There is no smell and the trap is performing as expected for me month after month. I also like that I am not using any chemical sprays in my home. Just a simple sticky trap, a light socket is all that's required. The design fits perfectly with the plug-in, easy to change out when full and does a great job capturing gnats and even house flies. They work great. Mine have caught gnats, fruit flies, spiders, and flies. Easy to set up. Just plug in and add sticky plate. Number 1. Katchy Indoor Flying Insect Trap, Black. Tired of pesky flying insects? Our device uses a combination of UV light, a powerful fan, and sticky glue boards to effectively eliminate fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes. Simply turn it on when you need it. Say goodbye to messy zappers. Our glue boards make insect disposal clean and contact-free. We include 4 boards to get you started, and replacements are readily available. No more unsightly traps cluttering your home. This device boasts a subtle and sleek design that blends seamlessly into any room, making it perfect for kitchens, entryways, or offices. Tailor its performance to your specific needs. It features 2 fan settings, allowing you to adjust the power and noise level for optimal comfort and effectiveness. It's a versatile solution for various flying pests. This trap is highly effective against fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes, helping you maintain a pest-free environment. Rest assured, our product is registered with the EPA. It's designed to be a safe and effective solution for your indoor insect problems. What we like. This trap uses a combination of UV light, fan, and glue for a powerful catch, and it's designed to be aesthetically pleasing. If you want a modern-looking trap that effectively deals with fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes and offers easy, mess-free disposal, this is a fantastic choice for your kitchen or office. What people say. The units do in fact attract flying things very well. The sticky pad of results had 2 bugs I didn't know I had and don't recognize. I am extremely happy with my purchase. The unit itself is aesthetically pleasing and is relatively quiet. Night is the best time for results since that's when it's darkest and the bugs can see the light. The blue light transitions in brightness, which is even more effective in attracting its prey. It works as intended and looks good doing it. The bottom is easy to open to check and or replace the sticky pad. There are only 2 buttons so it's super easy to operate. And it doesn't look like a bug catcher at all. No one would know. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.